43. Our Just Reward. There are very great differences among races and nations, but the attitude towards this fact varies. Some deny all differences, calling it racism, and others affirm them as inherent in races. Both views are false. Micah 4:5 tells us, as it surveys the peoples, quote, "For all people will walk every one in the name of his God, and we will walk in the name of the Lord our God for ever and ever." End quote. Over a century ago, E.W. Hengstenberg summed up the meaning of Micah's words in a sentence, quote, "The lot of every people corresponds to the nature of their God." End quote. Our faith limits us, or it strengthens us, depending on what and in whom we believe. Nations rise and fall in terms of their faith and character. Their histories are not written in terms of their religious faith, but the fact remains that they are determined by it. The word of the Lord still stands, quote, "Except the Lord build a house, they labour in vain that build it. Except the Lord keep the city, the watchman waketh but in vain." Psalm 127:1. We are laying waste our inheritance of faith and freedom, and the national disintegration and decay is visible on all sides. Political changes are at best superficial in their impact when a people have gone astray. We cannot export freedom to other nations when we are losing it, nor can we propagate a faith we do not hold. Our just reward will be judgment unless we again become a people of faith and character.